Da impazzire, it's really crazy taste, really nice. Ciao a tutti, welcome to Cucina with Daniela from the Golden Taste. Today we're gonna make gnocchi with ricotta and spinach. The ingredients are spinach, ricotta, sage leaves, 1 egg, butter, some salt, flour, pepper, parmesan e nutmeg if you like. Andiamo insieme, facciamo gli gnocchi con ricotta e spinaci and put some passion. Andiamo? Put some flour, ricotta, spinach. Our gnocchi are made. We're gonna put in salted water. We're gonna wait that they're coming up, and that means they're ready. In the meantime, we put some butter in the pan, really soft, otherwise it's gonna get burned. We put inside the butter some sage leaves. The smell is really amazing. Add some parmesan and extra pepper. Quindi i nostri gnocchi con ricotta e spinaci are ready. Please follow my channel, all the description, the recipe below. Put your comments, tell me what you like, sharing care with your friends and let's try together. Ottimi ragazzi, da impazzire. It's really crazy taste, really nice and see you soon. Ciao!